Hello guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. Well, we have simple steps on how to fix that. First, you need to make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So go to Google Play Store, then search the app, then tap update if it's available. Once you've done, open your app. Next, turn on activity status. Tap the profile icon, go to the three lines, then tap on settings, then privacy option. Scroll down, then tap on messages and story replies. Then tap on activity status. So you need to toggle it on to show activity status. The other option that you can do is switch to professional account. So to do that, go to profile icon, then tap on edit profile, scroll down, then tap on switch to professional mode. Then go to homepage, then go back to settings, and then go back to personal account. Tap on the dashboard, then tap on settings, tap on the option to switch back to personal account. If nothing happens, go to the next step, which is log out all your accounts. So going back to profile page, then tap on three lines, settings and privacy, then scroll down and tap logouts on all accounts. Then after that, log in again and see the results. That's all. Thank you for watching.